In this video, guys, we're going to look at the question, is day trading a scam? Stay tuned. Hey traders, warm welcome to question, is day trading a scam? I'm not quite sure where this has come from and what this is actually really asking, but I kind of get the idea. So the answer is obviously no, it's not a scam, because plenty of people are day trading and making good money at it. Some people are making substantial amounts of money, some people are making a little bit of extra money, some people are making a nice living. You know, one thing I will say is that a lot of the marketing that goes into it can be a little bit over the top in terms of how easy it appears to day trade, right? They make it appear that you can go out, you can stick a few hundred quid in an account, a few £1,000s in an account, and you could be day trading pretty quickly and be making money. Now, you probably know, if you're on this channel for any length of time, and you've been watching YouTube videos from me and other guys and learning and kind of doing some self-improvement in trading, that's not the case, right? Is that we know the score, that is not the case. So my suspicion is that this chap who thinks it's a scam is thinking, hey, well, if everyone's losing money, then is it a scam to get you in? Because at the end of the day, the only people who are gaining from, a scam is generally something that is trying to get the money from you. So that would be maybe your broker. I guess they could say the broker's trying to scam you if they took the other side of the trade. And many brokers don't do that, just take a commission. So in which case, and they want you to win, because if they're not taking the other side of the deal, they want you to be trading longer and in more size because they make more money off you. So they're not scamming you. The other market participants don't really get involved in the scamming you. So it's not really a scam. Now, or it's not a scam at all. Now, there is something to be said for, like I say, the marketing aggression that goes into it, and that is a bit scammy, right? I'll admit it. You know, there is stuff out there that just looks so horrible. You just cringe and go, oh, you know, it's just over the top, isn't it? And for that aspect, they are tricking you into believing that it's easier than it is. So if that's scammy, if that's a scam, then yes, we probably are talking about a scam. But they are normally saying they're offering you something else. Now, that's not to say that education and tools aren't worth buying. I'm a big fan of that. Buy the right tools that you need, spend the money you need to spend, whether that's getting education on trading, formal education, proper courses, proper books, proper tools, definitely. But be very careful about what you are buying. Be very careful about the guy draped over the Lambo. Be very careful about all that kind of stuff, because if they're trying to appeal to that part of you, then you've almost got to say, well, you know what? I know that if I make 200 grand in trading, I can go out and buy a Lambo. You don't need to tell me that. I can do whatever I want with my 200 grand. Thank you very much. But the fact that they're choosing to say that you're going to be over a Lambo or Ferrari or whatever it may be might have a red flag on it. So the point here is that most people will lose money trading. We know that. But then most people will lose money starting businesses. We know that. Sure, they're not as extreme. Like trading is probably 90%, if you believe the kind of headline figures, and failing businesses is probably not quite that. But there's something like restaurants in particular, certain sectors like restaurants, most of the serious number, I don't know what percentage is, maybe not 90, but higher than 50 are going to fail in the first 3 years. So you could almost say, well, is any business a scam? If odds are against you, is it a scam? You've just got to go into things with your eyes open, guys. You've got to, if you're buying any tools, if you're buying any courses, if you're doing stuff, which, like I say, I'm a fan of the right stuff. They help you get incremental growth or exponential growth, right? Help you boost and learn things and do stuff, especially if you've got so much money at stake in trading, right? You've got so much potential loss and gain that spending a few hundred quid on a tool, on some sort of tool that help you screen, spending a few hundred quid on some sort of informational course that's going to help you learn something you specifically want to learn about, then that's fine. But when your money's being extracted from you on the dream of making quick riches, which we know is not going to happen in trading, you've got to be in it for the long haul. You've got to be able to chug along and improve and improve and improve and improve and improve slowly but surely, and then eventually you'll start to see the profits. Eventually you'll start to see the gains. So we know that, and the other stuff is just preying on, it's an instant flick of the switch, do this and you'll be fine. So just watch how stuff's marketed, guys. Just watch watch and see. If it's saying, if it's just information like this is what you'll get when you buy this tool or you'll buy this course, then that's interesting, right? And might be worth considering. If it's saying you will become the biggest day trader and you will make serious amounts of money, then most of the time it's stay away from it. So is day trading a scam, guys? No, it's not. Same as the other thing is Forex trading, any type of trading. No, the odds are stacked against you, but you've got to be prepared to do things that others won't to get things that others can't. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.